Biophilic Bathroom Ideas 2025, Natural Materials, Indoor Plants and Sunlight-Filled Design. Welcome to a harmonious blend of nature and modern living with our Biophilic Bathroom Design Ideas for 2025. In this video, we showcase stunning bathroom interiors that embrace the biophilic design philosophy, connecting you with nature through lush greenery, organic textures, natural materials, and an abundance of natural light. Whether you're planning a bathroom renovation or simply looking for inspiration, these designs highlight how to transform your bathroom into a rejuvenating oasis, enhancing both well-being and aesthetic beauty. What you'll see in this video: biophilic bathroom inspirations with earthy and organic design elements. Bathrooms filled with indoor plants, ferns, bamboo, pothos, and more. Use of natural materials like wood, stone, clay, and linen. Integration of skylights, large windows, and sunlight maximizing features. Natural color palettes that soothe the senses. Ideas for green walls, living ceilings, and plant-integrated decor. Showers and tubs surrounded by indoor gardens and spa-like settings. Key features of biophilic bathrooms 2025. Skylights and picture windows for optimal natural lighting. Raw textures, exposed wood beams, slate tiles, and pebbled floors. Sustainable materials and eco-conscious finishes. Floating vanities made from reclaimed wood or bamboo. Freestanding tubs framed by large leafy plants. Water features such as mini indoor fountains or wall waterfalls. Use of earth tones: terracotta, beige, moss green, stone gray. Minimal use of synthetic materials for a grounded, calming atmosphere. Benefits of a biophilic bathroom: enhances mental wellness and reduces stress. Improves air quality with natural plant filtration. Encourages mindfulness and relaxation. Increases natural light exposure for mood-boosting benefits. Creates a peaceful spa-like atmosphere in your daily routine. Perfect for homeowners embracing eco-conscious lifestyles. Interior designers seeking 2025 bathroom trends. Minimalist and nature-inspired home builders. Spa owners and wellness-focused businesses. Real estate developers incorporating green architecture. Styling tips: choose moisture-loving plants such as ferns, peace lilies, or snake plants. Combine materials like wood and stone with smooth ceramics. Incorporate open shelves with potted plants or aromatherapy jars. Use natural fiber rugs and baskets for texture. Let sunlight in with curtainless windows or frosted glass for privacy. Add living wall panels or hanging garden features for dramatic effect. Watch this video if you want to create a peaceful and grounding bathroom experience. To bring the outdoors inside with beautiful greenery. Ideas for combining interior design and sustainability. The latest biophilic design trends for 2025. Inspiration for a spa-style, wellness-centered home. Don't forget to like this video for more design inspiration. Subscribe to our channel for weekly content on interior trends. Share this with your friends, architects, and interior lovers. Comment your favorite feature or idea below.